Welcome back to Ansibles, everyone. So I'm going to go over DATS with you guys. DATS had a major spike going to extended hours. Not much has been holding up in the market, but it looks like DATS is definitely on the watch going to tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys exactly what would have to happen for this one to continue, what exact indicators I would be looking for to have that continuation and major breakout, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over DATS with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly what would give us that confirmation on that momentum going to tomorrow to have that major breakout. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned IRNT yesterday breaking new highs at about $33, jumping up to around $60 going to pre-market today, almost up about 100% on that breakout. We mentioned LPTX this morning in pre-market at $1.80, jumping up to $2.75 on the day, having a major breakout throughout the day. And yesterday we had a major breakout from pre-market news that we had with INDP from $8.50, jumping up to $28 on the day, up over 200% on that breakout. So if you guys want to see all of our breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And so you guys can see here on DATS, again here on the 5-minute chart, as you guys can see, we have been coming back down, but however has been on the watch, as you guys can see, overall has been consolidating, staying within this range here, looking to see if we can continue on past this range that we have here at $8.80, and also consolidating all the way down here where you guys can see we had our previous bounce here at $6, looking to see if we can break above this range here between $6 and $8.80. And as you guys can see, we continued on up going to today. I do like that volume spike that we did have going to extended hours. And as you guys can see here, going to extended hours, we actually have a continuation on that spike. As you guys can see, we actually mentioned that going to extended hours just now a few minutes ago, as you guys can see here. And as you guys can see, to have this continuation going to tomorrow, we are going to be looking to see if we can break over $8.10. But to have that major continuation is what we are looking out for. So I'm going to go over the 4-hour with you guys here so you guys can see exactly what we're looking out for overall. Again, coming all the way up to this major spike that we had here at $8.80, looking to see if we can break above it. And overall, as you guys can see on the 4-hour chart, again, not much data to go on because recently DATS just IPO'd. And again, we have been alerting this one, looking to see if we can continue here. We did mention them yesterday on our daily watch list. And as you guys can see, we are bouncing up here on the 4-hour chart, looking to see if we can continue with this momentum on the large time frame here. And so that does show us a lot of momentum here. You guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we actually got an increase in buy pressure. Overall, we have been decreasing in sell pressure, looking to see if we can continue with that momentum that we had from that IPO price all the way up to $8.80. Here on the 20 moving average, looking to see if we can bounce here. And in my opinion, we do need to make sure we can break over this $8.80 mark, but we also do have a psychological resistance that every single stock does have a resistance at, and that is at $10. So ultimately, breaking over $8.80 is going to be very bullish, but however, breaking over $10 is going to give us that major spike, in my opinion, if we can have volume above that price there. I'm going to go back to the 5-minute so you guys can see exactly what's going to give us that confirmation on that spike. As you guys can see here on the MACD, again, decreasing in sell pressure with the EMA lines finally crossing above the MACD here, giving us that continuation going to today on the 5-minute, and looking to see if we can get that confirmation here. As you guys can see, we do like how we got that increase in buy pressure, breaking above our previous buy pressure points that we have here on these spikes that we did have. Looking to see if we can continue with this momentum and break above our previous buy pressure point that we did have here. In my opinion, if we can break above this previous buy pressure point here on the 5-minute, and we can set this alert here on this buy pressure, we could have that strong push and that strong confirmation on that momentum. And again, breaking over $8.80 is very key, and continuing on past that $8.10 mark that we are testing going to extended hours is very key. But in my opinion, to have that strong push that we're looking for is to break over $10 with momentum and have that confirmation over this buy pressure point. And again, looking for white shaded lines here to get that decrease in buy pressure if we do break above our previous buy pressure point, just like we did here, and having that continuation sell off from that point that we did have on those white shaded lines that came in on that decrease in buy pressure. So again, making sure we do possibly increase in buy pressure here. And again, we do like the EMA lines above the MACD showing us that we could continue. A lot of bullish momentum going here with DATS. So as far as a continuation going to tomorrow, I'm going to be looking to see if DATS can hold over $8 going to tomorrow, and then possibly break above that $8.10 resistance that we do have on that previous rejection, and then break over $8.80 from there to get that confirmation. Again, we are very choppy in the market, so we're going to definitely be careful. Make sure we do watch the market, as if the market does dip, then we could possibly have a rejection to the upside, and then possibly have that spike after that rejection if DATS does have a spike to the downside. So again, we're going to watch the market as well. Make sure we do watch DATS as a possible run, but again, make sure we do get that confirmation here on the 5-minute chart. And again, this is not financial advice, this is only what I'd be doing. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock or breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instabulls that have been supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, God bless every one of you guys. I love every one of you guys, honestly. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it. It does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.